you please read and record the verdicts, elevating the caption? Oh, let me see that one more time, I'm sorry. Okay. Got it.
As to count one, we, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action and upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Murad Dervish, on the charge of first-degree murder on or about the 5th day of October 2022 as the result of the death of Thomas Meixner as follows. Guilty. The jury further finds beyond a reasonable doubt that the offense of first-degree murder or guilty except insane of first-degree murder was committed as follows. 12 jurors for premeditated first-degree murder. Signed foreperson. As to count two, the jury further finds the defendant, Murad Dervish, committed aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, dangerous instrument, to wit, a firearm, against Timothy Cordley on or about the 5th day of October 2022 as alleged in count 2 of the indictment as follows. Guilty. The jury further finds that the allegation of dangerous offense as to count 2 was proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Signed foreperson. As to count 3, the jury further finds the defendant, Murad Dervish, on the charge of burglary in the first degree of a non-residential structure or fenced commercial yard or residential yard belonging to University of Arizona on or about the 5th day of October 2022 while knowingly possessing a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, to wit, a firearm, as follows. Guilty. Signed foreperson. As to count 4, the jury further finds the defendant, Murad Dervish, recklessly endangered Irma Santander with a substantial risk of imminent death as charged with endangerment on or about the 5th day of October 2022 as alleged in count 4 as follows. Guilty. Signed foreperson. As to count 5, the jury further finds the defendant, Murad Dervish, recklessly endangered Kathy Barron with a substantial risk of imminent death as charged with endangerment on or about the 5th day of October 2022 as alleged in count 5 as follows. Guilty. Signed foreperson. As to count 6, the jury further finds the defendant, Murad Dervish, recklessly endangered Guadalupe Romero with a substantial risk of imminent death as charged with endangerment on or about the 5th day of October 2022 as alleged in count 6 as follows. Guilty. Signed foreperson. Members of the jury, are these your verdicts and the verdicts of each of you?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, Carl is going to ask you each one question to which you'll either answer yes or no.
Juror number 1, are these your verdicts? Juror number 2, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 3, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 5, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 6, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 7, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 8, are these your verdicts? Juror number 9, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 10, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 12, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 13, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
And juror number 14, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes your service as jurors. The admonition is now lifted. You can talk with whomever you like about the case. Sometimes the lawyers will not ask you questions when you're out in the hallway. If you don't want to participate, that's just fine. Just do whatever you feel comfortable with. On behalf of the court, especially me, thank you. Thank you very much. Difficult case, really tough stuff to listen to. I appreciate it, and I'll pay attention to how well you all pay attention, and I appreciate that as well, as do all of us. So thanks very, very much. You're all excused.